Good day, good day. I came home expecting this box to be here on Monday, but when I came home, it was at my door and I was so super excited. So, of course, as usual, I have to open the box, even though I'm one of those people, I'm one of those people that love to watch the spoilers because I don't really like surprises, but I'm still going to be super excited about opening the box. Um, even though I know what's in there. And actually touching it for myself and seeing it close up, I'm really excited. The one gripe I do have to, if you don't know what this is the Erin Condren surprise box for winter. The box is beautiful. I worked a little harder to get the labels off. One of the things I have a gripe about is the tape that they put on it because it started tearing the box a little bit. So I just cut it, and I'm going to leave the rest of the tape on so it doesn't rip the box, because I think even though these are reversible, you could take them apart and turn them around and use the inside of the box. And thank God my boxes have never come damaged. However, I love the pattern and the color of the outside of most of the boxes anyways, so I always want to preserve both the inside and the out. But that's my only gripe. I wish you would put the box in a box so we can have it so nice. Like you could feel the sticky from my label with my address, but I will work on that later and get it off. Okay, so here we go. Here it says, I don't know if you can read this. Good things are coming. Keep believing. That's the inside of the box, and it has like this gold foil. My lighting is really off, so I don't know if it's rose gold or gold, but it's really pretty. And this is the 2019 Winter Seasonal Surprise Box. And it shows everything that's in it, and it also tells you if they're exclusive or a sneak peek. In this box, there is only one sneak peek that will be on the website. I'm not sure if it will be on this week for Thanksgiving week, for Black Friday. I'm not sure when it goes on sale. However, um, however, I'm sorry. All the other things that are in the box are exclusive to the box. So if you did not get the box, check the web and you like what's in here, check the website and see if it's still available, because I really don't know, because I got my box, so I never looked again. However, if you are not, I'm going to say this, a petite on-the-go folio person, you may not like this box. However, I am. So even when I heard that, when they were kind of saying what was in the box, but really couldn't reveal the box, people were saying, well, if you don't use the folio system, you may not enjoy this box. But I do, along with my life planner and I also, coming into 2020, I will be using the monthly deluxe planner for my faith planner. So this is the Petite Planner Weekly Intentions and Goals journal. Now this is the sneak peek. This is going to retail at $14. Weekly intentions and goals. It says transform dreams into reality by defining clear intentions for living your best life. The powerful Petite Planner is designed to guide you week by week in setting intentions and goals so you can successfully plan, achieve, and progress. I absolutely love this cover. I saw it, like I said, I saw several sneak peeks or spoilers, and even though you say, oh, it's really pretty, seeing it in person is just everything. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is for intentions and goals, brainstorming. I want to say that somebody said it was like maybe for 3 months. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So yeah, they're coming in like quarters or whatever. Which is cool. So you have like, just like the weekly, you have the 3 months. Yeah, so I think this will be cool. I will, and I'll explain something else later um, as I open this. Like I said, I know what's in here because I couldn't wait. I had to check it out. Check out all the spoilers. This is the Petite Journal. This is exclusive, this color. I know some people were saying that they didn't like the colors because of the peach, but I really like, it's coming out orange on my screen, but this is like a very light color, peachy color. This is more of the actual peachy color, and this is a darker peach, but I think it's really pretty. I'm not really a peach person one way or the other, but I think it's beautiful. So there, that's all you have. That's all I have. But this is sort of like it's dot grid, and it has the index here, so people that like to bullet journal, this will be great. They have other ones. I have the other one in my folio now, but I plan to keep these together probably because they match really well too. I mean, so I think that's the most important part because they match very well. These are cards. I'm looking at the paper. I want to see what they say about them. Okay, I don't see the cards on here, but I know these are cards. Let's see. I'm just going to go with it because I don't see it on the actual... Oh, it says it right here, number 7. Folded metallic cards. There's 2 of them. These are exclusive. One says thank you. It has the envelope and it has the actual Erin Condren sticker. And this one here says always in my heart. Somebody had said, well, they might have put this in here because of the fact that they won't have another box before Valentine's Day. So that could be the reason. I'm sorry, my lighting is so off. This is horrible. I don't normally, I didn't think to, see the thank you? I didn't think to turn on my other light. And I don't normally film anything during the day either. And these are sticker sheets. There's 2 of them. And they are also exclusive to the box. Good things are coming. Keep believing. There's some snowflakes. If you see down here, there's some hearts. Love out loud. Ring in the new year. And these are like the washi. Oh no, they're probably not washi strips. These might be. This says, Happy Valentine's Day. You're lovely. Season's greetings. Happy holidays. You got this. Vacation. Celebrate. Lots of cheer. So those are pretty also. I'm just loving this whole Erin Condren thing. Here is the pen. Oh yeah, bling bling, sparkle sparkle, ballpoint pen. I've heard a lot of babes, as they call themselves. Oh, I expected it to be. I've heard a lot in the planner community say that they don't like ballpoint pens. I'm not really particular one way or the other. I do like a nice writing pen. So as long as it writes smooth, whether it's ballpoint or not, I don't really care. It has, I think this is rose gold. I don't know. It's gold of some sort. I think it's rose gold. And the pen is like shiny and sparkly. And I'm excited about that. Let me see. Let me write on this. Oh, it has that tip thing on it. I was watching somebody and they were talking about how you can actually write it off. I've never known that to be true, but oh, it writes nice. It writes nice. So I like it. Let me see. Somebody else said that the sparklies come off, but I don't see that happening. But it's beautiful. I wish my lighting was better. I'm not going to film this over because you're not going to get my true reaction. So I'm going to put that back in the box. Put the card back in there. This is all going to come out anyways. Are you ready for this? Tamra, the paper and pen girl, had said, and I wonder if she kind of knew somehow, some way, even though she didn't get the preview of the box early, that she was hoping that it came with a folio. She had said, though, she did say that she was hoping that it came in the color of the box, which the box is like a turquoisey green. Like I said, my lighting is really off, but I love this packaging. Even though I do like the dust bags, honestly, I love this packaging better, and I will probably hold on to this. Not that I don't hold on to the dust bags, but I'll probably hold on to this. So once 2020 is done, I could put it back in here and file it onto my bookcase. So this is my thought, my first thought, even when I saw the spoilers. Some had said, well, why did they put 2020 on there? You know, my thought behind this is, you know, we use our folios and we put things in the, you know, we have things all year long that's in the folios, and then we want to keep it. And where do we keep it? That's always my gripe. Like, where do I keep the stuff? Especially if I'm going to use the folio over again. Well, I'm not going to use the 2020 folio over again. So anything that I do in my petite journals for the year 2020, I will just put them in here, even if I have to put jump bands to add them all in, and then I will put it back in the box, and this will be for 2020. The paper and pen girl also said, now you know we'll be expecting a 2021, 22, so on and so forth, which is true. It would work. But anyways, so this is like, to me, I would say it's a charcoal gray. But it kind of has creases in it, but it's all right. I mean, that's where it's going to go anyways. The band's going to go over. I was happy to see, and I can't remember whose video I was watching. I can't remember her name. I do remember which video because I watch her all the time, but for whatever reason, I can't call her name right this moment. But hers was upside down. It came down here. So I'm happy to see that mine did not come like that. And I love this. I just recently purchased the wine colored one, and I am not impressed. Like, I'm not really a wine colored girl anyways. However, it matched my cover that came with the fall box. So I felt, and the fact that the mustard was sold out. That's the honest truth. The mustard was sold out. So I went with the wine only because it matched with the cover that came with the fall box. So, yeah. So, I will be moving into this for 2020. And also along with my, I don't know what color that is. It's not gold. I don't know what color it is. I still love that one. It's the older one, and I'm going to hold on to that as well. So I love this. Yes, I do. I can't wait to start setting it up. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so last but not least, and people were complaining about this, like if you're on the go folio person and you get all this on the go folio stuff, why would they include a cover? Well, I'm an on-the-go folio person, but I also have a life planner, and I also have the monthly deluxe planner. I don't think I would change the monthly deluxe planner cover off of it because it's specifically geared towards my faith journal. So yeah, but this one I might consider to take this, put this on. It's like black and gold. It's really pretty. But I might be I'll probably put this on. It is really pretty. I would have probably liked a blue better for the winter time, but nonetheless, it is pretty and it will go well with this. And that's what it's all about, matchy matchy. So these are my first thoughts. I am totally happy with everything in the box, including this, even though it didn't sound like I was. I really think this pattern is really pretty, and it just kind of models this pattern, just not in color, basically. So I love this. So I am very excited to show you the box. I love my Erin Condren products. I have the paper and pen girl keeps saying, come back, not to me, just in general, come back to the EC side. And I think slowly but surely I am, because I started off with Erin Condren. I've always been a planner, as I said in my past videos. However, when I got into the planner community type of deal, Erin Condren was my first planner that, you know, when I started the whole sticker thing and all that back in 2013, 14. Like I said, I've always used a planner, but nothing as extensive as this whole planning system now. So, being that I'm not happy with my current planning system, I did purchase this past spring a life planner. Not really happy that I went with a layout that I don't normally use, but I figured I'd give it a shot. But I know come spring again, I will go back to my vertical layout, but I am still very happy with my Erin Condren all around. I am so happy I got into these petite folios, which I didn't think I would like, and I'm loving, loving, loving. And I think I just ventured on to the other side. So this is my review on the box. I am so super happy that it came in the mail today and I didn't have to wait till Monday. Even though I'm on vacation, I'm so psyched that it came today. So if you did not get your box and you're seeing this for the first time and you really like it, go on the website, see if they still have it available, and pick it up for yourself. It is so worth it. So that's all for now. Have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you soon.